Molweni sanibonani. Ninjani? Niyaphila? Sithembe niyaphila nonke bafethu. Umfoka Mkhonzeni nibingelelayo. Thank you so much for being here, and let me welcome all my new followers ku TikTok. Ngiphinde ngamukele onke ama new followers and subscribers ku YouTube. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu guys ngokungisupporta ngale ndlela engisupporta ngayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Kubo bonke abakhomentayo kuma video engiwa-uploadayo. Thank you guys for doing that. Siyakhulisana, siyafundisana, siyakha la njengoba sakha izwe lethu. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu. Ukukhomenta kwakho kubaluleke kakhulu kimi because it shows ukuthi abantu uma ngabe bekhomenta ba-ready ukuthi bashare i-information nathi la, sifundisane, sakhane, siye phambili. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu ke guys. Ngicela ukuthi if you haven't subscribed, usubscribe ku YouTube channel Mfoka Mkhonza TV and Podcast. Uphinde ufollow la ku TikTok kuMfoka Mkhonza. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ke guys. Le video yami le emfishane nje ngiyenzela ukugcizelela ukubaluleka kokuthi umuntu abe nalo ikhadi, i-membership card ye-MK Party. Ngigcizelela ukubaluleka kokuba i-card carrying member. Yayizwa leyo nto. Angithi nje ubukhona lapho uhleli lapho unayo i-ID card yakho. Leyo ID card yakho iyaku-identify ukuthi ubani and all that. So kubalulekile ukuthi ube nento esandleni ezohlezi ikukhumbuza ukuthi ungubani. So nalana ke ku-MK Party sinalo bafethu manje ikhadi. Umkhankaso wokwenza amakhadi uyaqhubeka. Isizathu esikhulu ke sokuthi ngenze le video le ukuthi ngiyathola la kuma comments nabanye abangithintayo privately bafuna ukwazi ngokuthi singayijoyina kanjani MK Party, singawathola kanjani amakhadi and everything like that. Le information ozoyithola kule video la izokusiza ukuthi ukwenze konke lokho. Uzoxhumana no Commander uNozulu ku TikTok. Lapha ku TikTok unguNozulu LX1 mangaphosisi Nozulu LX1. Uzoxhumana naye lapho. Ngiyamazi ke mina ngoba nginalo manje ikhadi lami. I'm a card carrying member of Umkhonto. Excuse me, of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Nale lami ikhadi. Yilo leli. Ikhadi lami yilo leli. I'm a card carrying member. Bafika la eMkhondo oCommander noZulu lo engikhuluma ngaye. Basisiza ke basenzisa lamakhadi. Kwaku 120 rand ukwenza ikhadi. Sibonge kakhulu ku Commander wethu ongasekho, uCommander uTreasure Thabede, ngokuthi ahambe phambili ekuthaneni le program ifike eMkhondo. Sa register nje impela saba baningi noma singa-registeranga sonke ukuthi sithole lamakhadi, kodwa iningi lethu linawo la eMkhondo. Babefikile oCommander noZulu nabo oCommander uNandi Qhawekazi naye ukhona la ku TikTok. Basisiza kakhulu. Nawe ke ungaxhumana nabo. Khona ke ne-information la ngeyinamba ongayithinta ze-office le MK Party. Uyifakile la uCommander noZulu. Inamba ze-office le MK Party elapha eThekwini eBeachfront. Ne-address uyifakile la uzoyibona nje kuyo le video mangabe sengiqedile ukukhuluma la. Yonke information lapho nenamba ongayifonela uma ngabe ufuna imininingwane ukuthi ikhadi lokuthi ube member ye-MK Party ungalithola kanjani. Uzosizakala kuloko. Bafethu kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ube nekhadi ube imember ye-MK Party ngokugcwele. Njengoba sengivezile la. Kule video nje uzobona kunamanye ama-commander for example obaba uWillis Mchunu convener wethu eKZN. Bazovela la uzobabona banawo lamakhadi manje. Nabanye abaningi banawo lamakhadi manje. Bawenza umsholozi uqobo lwakhe unalo lelikhadi. O-Deputy President uHlophe njalo njalo bonke banawo lamakhadi. So wena umuzo ukuthi unalo yini ikhadi? Are you a card carrying member of Umkhonto weSizwe? So bheka ke le video njengoba iqhubeka ubone ukuthi ungenza kanjani mangabe ulidinga lapho khona. I-MK Party bafethu iyona njengamanje ezolida eSouth Africa. So kubalekile ukuthi usheshe uzisondeze manje ku-MK Party ngoba uyithola isihambe elide banga kanti kuningi okusafuna ukuthi ukuncele futhi ukufunde kusemanje la njengoba sakha siya phambili. So lisitholeleke lekhadi leli kubaleke kakhulu. Okunye ke cha sizokubona amavideo nalandelayo. Namhlanje nje bengifuna ukugcizelela leyo ukuthi be a card carrying member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. That's all. Umfoka Mkhonza lo ngiyabonga ke kakhulu guys ngokulalela. Ngiyacela ukuthi ni subscribe, ni follow futhi na TikTok, ni subscribe ku YouTube, and comment and share ngiyabonga. Thank you so much.
Morning commanders. My name is Derek Thompson from Richmond Ward 1. Today I've taken the decision to officially join Umkhonto weSizwe Party as a card carrying member. I've taken my card. Zocela wonke umuntu ose Richmond, follow me, come join the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Zothi nje kwaza Umkhonto kwaza.
Kwaza.
Waza Umkhonto kwaza. Waza Umkhonto kwaza. Chitshela Umkhonto chitshela. Hole Qamalanga sihole. Sesinamakhadi. Sonke manje. Nami lami ngithangiliveze ukuthi likhona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyawabona la. Ayafana. Sesumkhonto weSizwe sonke kanye. Thank you.
Leadership ngiyabonga kakhulu just to come and engage with us. Abantu baseThembisa ba ready, siyabona amakhadi akhona la. Sicela just ngene isitshelo ukuthi abantu baseThembisa yini kumele bayihlale bayibhekile nokuthi kwenzakalani namhlanje la ngasesakwenza taxi rank.
Now as a provincial leadership we are here to encourage everyone.
Yes.
We are members of Umkhonto weSizwe and we are not afraid.
Yes.
We are here to take this card to assure everybody.
Yes.
We are members of Umkhonto weSizwe in this province.
Yes.
And we will move with the program.
So bengizwa ukuthi leadership kunabantu la abathi no these cards njani kwashaka cima nani. Can you just explain kahle ukuthi le card leli kahle kahle kuze lifike la lifika kanjani and yiliphi eli assure ukuthi definitely mawunaleli we are in good standing, because ngizwa la abantu abakhuluma bathi we are not in a good standing and asikhulumi nomuntu ongenaleli card leli. Ingabe iqiniso lelo?
Ngakho silana senza sure ukuthi abantu have to understand sibika by example. Ngakho sithi le card namhlanje because there is agreement the national leadership to say what card how we for member in good standing.
Yes.
As a Gauteng we understand ukuthi there's mission yenza we want to have a program of assist ukuthi maybe nathi sibe ne mission silinke and Qhubeke Party, we are not stopping any program. Those who are stopping the program, by stopping ngendlela esingayazi esingayazi.
No, siyabonga kakhulu leadership to nize nala ithembisa and engage with people. Uyinto enhle lena sifuna ukubona umkhonto uyaphambili. On your closing statement, angazi commanders, one of you can just tell us ukuthi is it into enhle le sisazoqhubeka sisazoba nani futhi.
Waza mkhonto egoli kwazi.
With our aims with you ground in prepare 2026.
Yes.
We have to move on the ground to see the coalition in Ghana.
Yes.
Yes, I'm in focus. Because we preaching the two-thirds majority.
Yes.
But still we are preaching the two-thirds majority to change the life of the people of South Africa. Mantas.
Wait, ngiyabonga leadership.
Also to destroy Ishiyama parallels. So we cannot run organization from the WhatsApp. We will run organization from our meetings, hearing our cards, so that we take the decisions of the organization accordingly. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga commanders.
Commanders, morning. Even though sisemanzini, commanders, I am noZulu. You know, we know kunabantu abaye basende ama-VNs bazifihlele ngathi amadlozi bebe benza ukukhohlakala ngegama lomkhonto. Ngithe mangenze le video ukuze kubonakala ukuthi umuntu okhulumayo uyaphila unoZulu from a membership card office yomkhonto. Kubi okusehlele nokusehlelayo ukulahlekelwa amaqabane under izimo ezithi masicishe sifane. Akuyona into enhle and ayikho coincidental. Yinto eyenziwa umuntu, into enziwa abantu ukuthi kube khona izimo ezenza inhliziyo zingabi zinhle, ezenza ukuthi kube khona ukukhohlakala obukhona kuthina. Kunabantu abaze kumkhonto bengezelanga izinto ezinhle. Commanders, we lost uCommander uTreasure eMpumalanga. We lost uCommander Ulungile eGoli. Akukho mnandi. Both of them are young, or they were young adults, promising leaders, very vocal and very, very, very focused. Emsebenzini omkhonto akade bewenza ngokuthanda nokuappreciate umkhonto nokurespecta the founder of umkhonto uNcamalala. Oyi-president yethu without a doubt, esimsupportayo embonweni yakhe nokuthi siphumelele njengabantu abamnyama politically. Unfortunately, this is where we are. And I'm wearing this t-shirt and holding this membership card for one reason and one reason only. Both commanders, uCommander uTreasure, uCommander Ulungile, were very instrumental in the introduction of membership cards in their respective areas and provinces. Commander Ulungile was part of the a team at the time, rescue team, which brought the membership cards in Johannesburg. And then we had the commanders in Sidibeng who came to office to have these membership cards introduced in their respective area. Now, it is said that these commanders and both of them, their contribution has gone unnoticed. And I'm holding this card to indicate and to prove and to also emphasize that uCommander Ulungile happened to be a voluntary card-carrying member Yomkhonto Wesizwe as a leader, following the instructions of our supreme leader in the name of President Jacob Zuma. Now, he was being led and serving with the people who are very much against this program, which is the program belonging to the organization. We are aware that even some of the National Command members, behind closed doors, they are instigating defiance to these membership cards and the instruction of the president. The president went out and said, he showed his card and then said, all of you must go, nibe na wenu ama membership card. There is a reason for that. It is nonsensical for anyone to say these membership cards are invalid. These membership cards, they give you 5 years. We are prepared to defend that to the zenith. We know that certain individuals, the likes of Bazoga, the likes of Zotto, the likes of Antonis and the rest, they've been against this membership card program because they are not gaining anything as they did with the 10 rands. Now they are opposed to this because of the reason that they want to gain on their own. They want money to go into their accounts. Up to date, they've never accounted, they've never been brought to book, but instead they were taken into the new provincial detachment. Enough is enough. Now it has come to the point where we need to be clear which side one is standing on. We will support Comrade Jacob Zuma. All these people who come now and say the program is wrong, they must tell us where were they when the whole thing started. It cannot be right, commanders. And I'm requesting members with membership card to attend Commander Lungile's program. I'm requesting that every person, every member of Umkhonto weSizwe in possession of this card must bring the card. We event Yaga Commander Olungile, whether it's tomorrow as a Commander Vota is arranging or we funeral yakhe. All the members baphatha amakhadi abanawo, abangenawo will make means without disrespecting the family. Will make means ukuthi amakhadi iprogram izoba khona on the day. Ingangabi khona directly lapha kwa Commander Olungile, kodwa on that day izoba khona eSoweto iprogram. Those who are saying they want to stop the program, please show your faces. We are ready for you. We will fight for Umkhonto. We will fight for what Ubaba is standing for. We will fight for what is good for Umkhonto. We are not going to be controlled by hooligans. People ababoshele ezindlini bese be expect ukuthi abasebenzi baphiphe lobo thuvi. We are tired now. We will defend Umkhonto. We will defend Ubaba. We will defend everything which promotes Umkhonto. Angeke siphathwe abantu ukuthi banama ulterior motives which are known. And it's funny that the National High Command takes those people back into the leadership position. What is expected of that? What is Bazuka doing and his cahoots doing in the provincial detachments? Yet it is known all the shenanigans they committed. Umkhonto is not winning a single by-election in Johannesburg. And people seem to be surprised. Why are you surprised? KZN, whenever there is a by-election, almost every person from whatever the region, they descend to that area. They make sure that others, they sleep in that area before the by-elections. But in Gauteng, we are told you are spending imali yomkhonto for ukudla and transport and what. But there is no accountability. It can't be right. It cannot be right. All the commanders who are attending Lungile's event, I'm saying it's an event, must go there, show discipline, maintain the proper decorum, kodwa be vocal. We can't be led by hooligans. We can't be led by Gebeng Mgulukudu. Kwaza Mkhonto, kwaza.